everyone, it's me Cheppy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to move Windows 11 taskbar to top, left and right position of computer screen. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, you can see here the default Windows 11 taskbar is at the bottom positions of the computer screen, right? So there is no option. If you just right click and go to the taskbar settings, also you can change the positions of this Windows 11 taskbar, which is lying at the bottom position. So even if you just drag and drop, you can drag anywhere, even in the left, right or top positions. So to do this, you need to do some little tricks. So for this, what you need to do is just on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus R to open the run command, and in the run command you need to type this name resedit, R-E-Z-E-D-I-T. you need to type this name resedit. After that you can click OK or just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now it will display the registry editor page. So before proceeding further, I will highly recommend you to do a registry backup, because if anything goes wrong you can just restore it back or recover it back. So you can see here on the first list a computer written, right? Just select it, and after that just right click on it, and you can see here export. Just click on export. Now you select the location where you want to save this registry backup. So I will just keep it in the desktop. So I'll just give a name backup and I will save it in the desktop. You can save it in any folder wherever you like. So I'll click on save. So I've created a backup right now. So if anything goes wrong while you were trying this cool tricks, then you can restore it back just by clicking and installing this backup file for your registry editor. So now let us proceed with our tutorial. So for this, now what you need to do is, you can see your H key current user, just click on it, and after that you can see on the left side a arrow icon, just click on it. After that you need to select a software, and once again click on this arrow icon. So scroll down below and search for one name written as Microsoft, as you can see here, and after that just once again click on this arrow and search for the name Windows, as you can see. So select this Windows and once again click on this arrow, and now you can see here current position. Just click on it and once again click on this down this arrow, and now here you need to select Explorer. Just select it and once again click on this arrow. After that just scroll down below and select this stock directory. Select it. Now on the right panel you can see here one options written as settings, right? Just double left click it to open this. Now you will see this kind of numbering, right? So here you don't need to do anything, just you need to change one number value. Under you can see here FE written, right? And on just below to it, it's written 03. 03 means it's in the bottom position, which is for the Windows 11 taskbar. So if you want to move this taskbar to the top positions, so you need to change this value from 03 to 01. So how you can change? Just put your mouse cursor just near to this 00 and just click on it, and now just hit a backspace. So just hit a backspace one time, and now just type 01. So we put a value. After putting a value from 03 to 01 and just click on OK. Let us open again this to confirm it's 01 right now. So now what you need to do is just press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the Task Manager. So under the Task Manager just scroll down below. We'll see here Windows Explorer, right? Just select it, and below here you can see a restart. Just click on restart, wait for a few seconds. Voila, now you can see our Windows 11 taskbar has moved to the position, that is to the top position. So this is how you can move your Windows 11 taskbar to the top position. So if you want to move in the right or left direction, so what will be the value? So just go to the same settings, and instead of this 01, just change the value to 02 if you want to move this Windows taskbar to the right position. Just after typing this, just click on OK, and just press once again Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the Task Manager, and once again just select this Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now it will be moved to the right direction, but you can see here the icons are not loading, so it might be some bugs. So if you face such problem, if the icon is not loading on the right positions of your Windows 11 taskbar, then you can just click on the backup, or you can just open the settings again, and instead of this 02, just change it back to 03 to restore it back to the default bottom positions. Click on OK, and once again press Ctrl+Shift+Escape, and now you can see it has been restored to the bottom positions. So now if you want to move the Windows 11 taskbar to the left position, so just go to the same option, and now instead of this value, change this value to 00. Just put 00 and click on OK. Now just press Ctrl+Shift+Escape again to open the Task Manager, and just scroll down below, and you will see here Windows Explorer. Just select it and click on Restart. Voila! Now the Windows 11 taskbar will move to the left side of position. So if you want to restore it back to the bottom position, then you can just go to this setting option, and instead of this 00, just change it back to 03 and click on OK. Wait for a few seconds. Now it will move back to the original or the default bottom positions. So this is how you can move Windows 11 taskbar to top, left and right position of computer screen very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.